one common question we get from parents is, are there safety hooks in the RV for child seat? And there's actually one safety hook. So what you want to do here is you have the lap seat belt. You're going to run it through your child seat or booster, put it all the way through, and then on the back you're going to have your rear anchor. There's a rear anchor point behind this seat down below that you can tether into, and you can strap it in tightly, and that's your safety for your child seat. If you do need another, we do have lap belts on the interior, so you can use another booster seat if needed, but unfortunately there is no lap or latch belt there. If you need a second child seat position, then we recommend putting the child here and towards the front, rear facing, because rear facing you can strap them in with the lap belt. You don't necessarily need a back anchor.